how to set the portrait keyboard mode to standard one-handed or floating keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on General Management. Next, go down and tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then go down and then tap on Mode. Next, in the Portrait View section, tap on either standard keyboard, or you can select one-handed keyboard or floating keyboard. So if I select floating keyboard, I can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And now if I open up my keyboard, you can see the keyboard is now in a floating mode. And you can see the transparency is set too high, so it's very hard to see. It's not very visible. So what we can do is we can go back to the Samsung keyboard settings and go into size and transparency, and here I can decrease the keyboard transparency. And that's it. So that is how you can set your keyboard portrait mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.